So we just passed Gadigal, now we're on to the next station, which is Central. I'm hoping people will get off here, but I think a lot of people will be getting on at Central, mainly because sorry about that. That's every station they sort of cheer. But at Central, there'll be people coming from airports, the interstate trains. So people just going to work on their way, and they usually catch the earlier services of trains, so they will be all getting on. So these are the legitimate passengers, not the tourists. I think when I get to Sydenham, every man and his dog with a vlog, and a TikTok will be there. So people are alighting. Oh, not many people getting on. Interesting.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much for coming down today. You're very welcome. Glad you're here. Yeah, it's absolutely wonderful. You can see I got full dress. Oh, I got that from a shop online that sells transport, New South Wales logos, Metro logos, train logos. Oh, look at that. There we go. Do you mind if I take a video? You can see it's not just me.
Please stand clear. Doors closing.
Thank you. Oh, yes. On the north.
So there's a few seats now around, but people prefer to stand.
The next stop is Waterloo.
I had a nice chat with him because I know him pretty well. Yes.
You were on the first train.
Yes, I was.
Most of the track so far is underground, deep underground in tunnels, but we will emerge out at one stage.
The next stop is Waterloo. Arrive for South Everly. Doors will open on the right.
So now we're at Waterloo.
This stop is Waterloo.
Oh my god,
Which means there may be only one more stop until Sydenham, and that's Sydenham. So that's where the train terminates. And I'm going to alight and have a look around and then get back on if I can. I'm hoping I can. And head back in the opposite direction towards Tallawong. I'm not going to go all the way to Tallawong. I'm just going to go back to Chatswood, obviously, because I have an appointment this afternoon in Chatswood. I don't want to miss it before I head off back in the opposite direction to get on the Eastern Suburbs line at Martin Place in the afternoon, later in the afternoon.
The next stop is Sydenham. This service terminates here. All customers must arrive at this stop.
So I assume everyone's going to get off at Sydenham. So
watching be something that you use every day. I do enjoy to come on. Very convenient. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Get off and immediately
I mean, they do like travel along as well. So they might